Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I got some good news, guys. Just in time for my dyno session coming up Wednesday. My new intake. What do we have here? Ooh. There, you can already see it. Now these are two separate parts. Air intake, turbo inlet pipe. Okay, so we're gonna see what's in the box. This is just a pipe, I believe, for the turbo inlet pipe. Nice pot filter. It's nice that everything is wrapped so nicely. Now this must be turbo pipe. Ooh, now this is what we've been waiting for. Intake hose. Look at that. Wow. Brand new air box. This is plug and play from your existing setup with these nice holes here in the front for a sort of ram air effect. Wow, I can tell you this is a really quality part. Intake hose. This is what's gonna it's gonna bolt straight onto the turbo with a nice flange, since the stock flange is bolted onto the turbo like this. Yeah, that's the correct part. Just gonna push it in like this, but you get the point. Now this part, turbo intake pipe with the flange, is a separate part from the airbox. Keep that in mind. So on the stock turbo pipe, you have these chambers that'll muffle the intake noise. Now we don't want that. We just want maximum flow. The thing that's gonna do the work, pot filter. There you go. So what do you think? Looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna make another close-up, see what the parts should look like. There's gonna be another video where I'm gonna install this kit. I'm gonna try to do it myself. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, just follow my Golf GTE turbo upgrade project, and I will see you in the future.